Hi boys and girls, I'm here at my house and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about week 32, day 2 packet. First page is our Bible page, and this is our Bible verse. And we're already at the letter X in our ABC Bible verses. We're almost to the end, I can't believe it. This verse is our Fresno Christian theme verse this week. And it's been the Fresno Christian theme for the whole school year. And I would love it if you would memorize this verse. It says, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about these things, okay? And you can just color this little boy and girl. They're pointing to their mind because they're thinking. Color this big X, put it up somewhere in your house where you can memorize it this week. Okay, the next page are some cute little chicks. This is really first grade work with Bossy E, but I know you can do it. You're gonna cut out the Bossy E word. Remember, Bossy E makes the vowel say its name. So this word here is not rack, it's rake. Like Mrs. Carlson has a rake here in my garden. The next word is fame, fame. And that E makes that A say A. It says its name, long A, fame. And then the next one is where we put the ATE words, late, late. So you're gonna wanna put that word right down there. You'll cut all of these out, you'll glue them down, color your cute little chicks. I know you'll do an awesome job on that page. Good Bossy E practice. Next page. Next page, we're practicing our blends, okay? So that would be BL, CL, and SL. And for this one, you're going to cut out these pictures at the bottom. Notice I've colored them really nice. I love it when you do nice coloring. That gets you ready for first grade. Mrs. Blackburn is not gonna believe how good you are at coloring. Cut those out, and then you'll look at it. These are blocks. So I hear that blocks. So that's where I'll put them. This one here, this is a clock. So I will put the clock with the CL. And this one I've already done for you. It's the sled. Sled. Do you hear that SL? So it will go right here, okay? So do a great job on that for me. Next page is, you know what to do here. Now, if you don't have daughters at home, you can use a marker, a highlighter, or even a color crayon, and just color these little dots. We're practicing the sight word that. Now, when you guys were just starting out in kindergarten, we just wrote that. You just write the sight word, but now that you're towards the end of kindergarten, I know you can write the word 3 times, remembering your finger spacing, and then underneath write a sentence with your sight word. Mrs. Carlson's sentence is, I know that man. Okay? You know what to do for the rest. And then I actually want you to skip to the back and do the rhyming words. We talked about rhyming words a little bit on our WebEx today. And like this little caterpillar here, the first word is the word bat. And it wants you to color only the rhyming words green that rhyme with bat. So we have hat, cat, rat, sat, pat, that. Those are all green. The other words will color yellow. Ham, bag, and pan, they do not rhyme. After you do this page, then you'll go back and do this page because they copied back to back and you'll have to do a little cutting. This is your math for today, and it is a really fun bunny graph where you can color these Easter eggs. And you're gonna wanna color all the striped ones the same, all the polka dot ones the same, and the ones that have the little curly line and dots, you'll wanna color them the same. And then you're gonna cut them out and you're gonna glue them on, or you can use tape or whatever you have, and you're gonna make a little bar graph where you can then answer some questions and use some counting skills, okay? So all of the matching ones will go right in a row. I hope you color your bunny like I colored my bunny. So all the green ones will go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green ones. That'll go all the way to the top. You can color them whatever you want, the polka dot ones. All the striped ones will go here, and all the ones that are mixed will go right here. And then you'll answer these questions and circle the right answer. So like the first one says, which has more, striped or the wavy lines with the polka dots? And you'll look at your graph and you'll circle the one that has more, okay? I know that will be a fun and not too hard math problem for you. Do your best work. Don't forget, the other part of your day is to make sure you get some healthy exercise. Make sure you practice reading your leveled reading books that Mrs. Gonzalez and I are sending you. They should be read like 5 times every day. Practice, practice. And then the other thing is your sight words. So work on those as well. All right, you're doing great, kindergartners. Keep up the great work.